morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start in the city where Philip Hammond has moved to reassure London businesses that their concerns regarding Brexit negotiations are being listened to. The Chancellor of the Exchequer has sought to distance himself from comments made by the Treasury before June's referendum, with analysis speculating that an economic shock would occur if the UK left the EU. In his address to the Treasury Select Committee yesterday afternoon, Hammond pointed out that some of the controversial comments had already been proved wrong, stating that the Treasury model published in April does not capture all potential outcomes. Hammond also said that the Treasury would be conducting detailed analysis of the potential Brexit deals, but that it would not be published in order to keep the Prime Minister's negotiating hand secret. We move to the debate surrounding the planned expansion at Heathrow Airport, where it has been announced that a decision on a new runway will be made by Parliament as late as winter 2017-2018. In other news, the UK labour market is remaining resilient despite the shock vote to leave the EU, yet experts warn that in time wages will come under pressure and jobs will also take a hit. Employment and growth figures released yesterday exceeded expectations. However, the number of people out of work did experience a slight increase, along with other early signs that the UK economy is feeling the strain of uncertainty. In the 3 months leading up to August, unemployment rose by 10,000, according to the ONS. Yet this was contrasted by a job creation of more than 100,000, holding unemployment to 4.9%. Man Group has revealed this morning details of a proposed £100 million share buyback. The hedge fund has entered a non-discretionary arrangement with Merrill Lynch International to repurchase ordinary shares in the company, up to a maximum consideration of $100 million until October 2017. According to the group, the purpose of the program is to return surplus capital to its shareholders. In indices, the UK 100 closed 10.3 points up yesterday to return above the 7,000 mark. The Germany 30 finished yesterday at 22.9 points, up on its opening price. The France 40 closed 13.7 points up, with both indices down on yesterday's closing position this morning. In corporate news, Heathrow has announced a new big Brexit boost plan to better connect the UK, adding 25,000 additional annual flights from 2021 on existing runways. Wealth manager Brooks Macdonald has named Caroline Connellan as its group chief executive. She will replace Chris Macdonald when he becomes deputy chairman in April next year. Glencore has announced the sale of Australian coal haulage business G-Rail to Genesee and Wyoming, Australia for 114 billion Australian dollars. The London Stock Exchange has reported a 15% revenue growth in the third quarter as it continues to focus on pushing through its proposed merger with Deutsche Börse. In upcoming data, 9 AM, the European Central Bank current account figures for August are released. At 9:30 AM, UK retail sales statistics for September are announced. At 12:45 PM, the European Central Bank makes its interest rate decision. And at 1:30 PM, the ECB will also announce its monetary policy statement. Thank you for listening.